Hey guys, Tony here. So I have been, just letting you guys know, I have been entering shorts on BTC and Ethereum recently. I actually entered some back around these highs of like 47,349 and 47,500, and also around the same range for Ethereum. And I'm actually going to be starting my short positions in Bitcoin and Ethereum short term. So any single instance of us actually going back to like the 4700 or to Ethereum to some whatever level is relative to that, I will be opening up shorts. This is, again, I've just been testing it with small lots for now. In the last like day or so, I made like 346 bucks off of both Ethereum and Bitcoin. And again, I really only short the major crypto, which is Ethereum and BTC. I don't really do anything else. Sometimes I dig into XRP. But yeah, I will begin my shorting on Bitcoin and Ethereum. I do think that there's like a 99% chance we are going to close this week bearish for Bitcoin. The only thing that I am a little bit skeptical about is that right now I want to see how hard Bitcoin actually pushes to the upside. It does look like we're going to close a bullish candle or a bullish trigger on the reverse MACD sometime in the next, maybe like next week, Tuesday, Wednesday. I'm not really 100% sure. I can definitely see a rally, a small push back up to like 48.6 or something, or possibly back to previous relative highs of like 46,939. So around that 4,700 range that I talked, or 47,000 range that I just talked about, right? So as far as me taking short positions, I think anything around this range of 47,348, that's what I'm going to be shorting BTC. Like I said, I do want to see what's going on with that daily on Bitcoin, because it could definitely push up pretty high, right? So if I short here and it ends up shooting up to the upside, I will be opening up another short at 48,672 or previous resistance, right? And I don't really teach my strategy here on YouTube. This is something that I leave directly for my Patreons. I use the martingale strategy to basically, if I'm shorting something, this is something I'll explain like in a private video or something, but I basically use a combination of support and resistance momentum plus the martingale strategy, which actually ends up working pretty well in Forex, right? I don't always trade this, but when I'm like 90% sure of the trend continuing in a certain direction, I always martingale it. It works like 99% of the time. But again, that's something that I would only teach my Patreons, and probably a video I'm going to be doing soon about that. And if you want to join my Patreon, I'll put, I know I haven't really put the link anywhere or talked about it too much, but I'll drop the link in the description, and I'll also put the link I'll pin the link in the comments, right? Or you can just go to patreon.com and search for my ads, my username on YouTube, but I'm not a trader. And I should show up right there and stuff. But I'll definitely drop the link and stuff. But again, I will be starting my shorts. I already have. I've been messing with small lots right now. I do want to see, so far right now, it's been reacting, Bitcoin's been reacting pretty well to the daily. So I want to see what happens when we actually push to the upside. And then once we actually cross over to another bear cycle on the daily, gotta catch my breath. That's when I'll actually start beginning my shorts. But I think as of right now, Bitcoin looks pretty stable towards the downside. I gotta admit that Bitcoin can definitely, let me see, what does a 4-hour look like? Bitcoin can definitely do something like this, right? So I think that Bitcoin right now, more than likely, can possibly touch somewhere like this level, right? Can go here, and then once that 4-hour gets created, we can, what the heck? We can probably go all the way back down and wick down to 44,155. All I'm looking for is another candle to get created under the support, right? But if that 4-hour, this 4-hour trigger that just happened at 1 o'clock in the morning today, if it actually pushes it all the way up to 48.7, whatever that is, 48.721, I will be opening up another short. So I'll be opening up a short right here at 47,105, possibly back when the 4-hour crosses another bear trigger. That's when I'll more than likely open up another short. But if we do go all the way up to like 48.721, that's when I'll double up on the martingale and I'll open up a bigger lot, right? Because I'll only short on Forex. I don't really short anywhere else. But again, we're looking for Bitcoin to come up here possibly and then short it. If it actually ends up going higher to here, I will be shorting it again because I am expecting it to do, essentially this, right? That's what I'm expecting Bitcoin to do. It either comes back here, comes back down, or it comes back up here, comes back down again. But also the daily is looking like it is going to cross bullish sometime in the next couple of days. So I am definitely weary of that. I'm trying to see what exactly or how big of a push it can actually give us towards the upside. But again, more than likely, this is what I'm looking to do in the short term. Right here, this is what I'm expecting Bitcoin to do, something like this. So open up short here, and then ride it all the way back down, possibly to that previous support. But again, the weekly, I think there's like a 99% chance that it's going to close bearish, in which I will possibly just keep shorting every single relative high and every single 50% retracement, 0.618 retracement or something. So, just letting you guys know, I think after the weekly closes, the probability of the market dropping definitely increases by a very big percentage, right? So statistically, every single time that that Bitcoin closes a bear week, once it's still in a bear cycle for the month, it tends to drop 30 to 60%. And I'm not one to fight statistics, right? That's basically how I trade. I only trade based off probability, and that's it. So I will be shorting. I will start shorting, and then even on the 4 hour, you do see like you're gonna have a death cross soon. But you guys know that I don't really look at. I don't really care too much about the death crosses or golden crosses. Anything under like the daily or the weekly, to be honest. 4 hours, don't really mean all that much to me. But again, it's just this is what I can kind of expect, right? And I'm gonna be shorting at every single instance right here. So I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. Bye bye.